Eggs are a nutrient-rich food that offer a variety of health benefits. High-quality protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs for growth and maintenance of tissues. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, organs, skin, hair, and other body tissues. Vitamins and minerals. Eggs are rich in several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, riboflavin, vitamin B2, folate, iron, selenium, and phosphorus. These nutrients play crucial roles in various bodily functions, such as maintaining healthy bones, vision, choline. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline, an essential nutrient that is important for brain health, liver function, and metabolism. Choline is particularly important during pregnancy for fetal brain development. Eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health. These compounds have been shown to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Heart health. Contrary to past concerns about cholesterol in eggs, research has shown that dietary cholesterol from eggs doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet when consumed as part of a balanced diet low in saturated A. Weight management. Eggs are a filling and satisfying food due to their high protein content. Including eggs in meals can help increase satiety and reduce overall calorie intake, which may aid in weight management. Brain function. The nutrients found in eggs, such as choline, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, are important for cognitive function and may help support brain health and memory. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.